Hi, I'm Garett Ludwig from Diversified Design Technologies. Just giving you a heads up that I'll be attending the Yankee Dental Congress in Boston this weekend, Thursday the 25th through Saturday the 27th. I would like to extend an invitation for a free consultation to anyone who is considering or in the process of planning a new office. Whether you're expanding or relocating, intending on an interior fit out, addition, renovation, or new ground up construction, I would be pleased to guide you through the process. Bring your project criteria, sketches, drawings, along with a list of your goals. I will guide you through all aspects of design and construction, from space needs calculation to facility feasibility and efficacy to problem solving and code compliances. Opportunities knocking. Don't miss out on this great value. Reach out by email, phone, or text to schedule time to meet. I look forward to meeting with you. Thanks very much.